The Polygon Calculator. Regular polygon properties solves for the geometric properties of any regular polygon using just two inputs. First, we select our unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric, which uses millimeters, centimeters, and meters, or imperial, which uses inches and feet. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, we have two input fields. Number of sides n requires you to enter the number of sides, which must be 3 or greater. Side length s is where you enter the side length of your polygon, which must be greater than 0. Let's calculate the properties of a decagon. I'll enter 10 for the number of sides and 10 for the side length. After clicking Calculate Polygon Properties, we get 4 results. The area is 769.4209 square units, which represents the total surface area enclosed by the polygon. The perimeter is 100,000 units, simply the number of sides multiplied by the side length. The apothem measures 15.3884 units, which is the distance from the center to the midpoint of any side. The interior angle is 144 degrees, the angle between any two adjacent sides. This calculator streamlines polygon analysis for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.